scale of 1 to 10, where you put that?
10.
That boy just became American, didn't he?
Amazing.
That's not beans on toast, buddy.
No, it's better than beef on toast, that's for sure.
Homer.
Wow.
After the barbecue
This
sauce,
chicken is a good one.
Good.
That combination is
Yeah.
so good.
Boy, I'll tell you what, that is some...
Mark on the platter, triple over medium.
This is what you guys eat instead of beans on toast for breakfast?
Yep.
Guys, I'm no fucking right now. If we had Chipotle in Australia, I swear to God, I would be there every single day.
Dude, that's great.
Everything is so much bigger in America. Look at this French fries. Look at this, the size of my head.
I can't believe it.
Are you joking me?
I didn't know that Costco had your beans.
Honey, this is insane.
I can refill it. Yeah. I can refill this 1,000 times.
Bro, slow down. Slow down. Why?
That was good. Because it's free.
Und mein Himmel, they have alcohol!
It's beautiful. You do this every year.
I had to get a waffle for the last hour while I'm in here. Yes, it's drenched in butter. Yes, it's drenched in syrup. The last one.
First I'm trying ranch. Ooh, I'm about to get fat.
So big. It's huge. Y'all, Walmart know better. Look, all that y'all know exactly why they doing that.
I'm a Brit living in America, and I'm convinced no one loves their country more than Americans love the USA. US. Order.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
This is one pancake? Yeah, welcome to America. You know, I used to be little like you.
That's crazy. It's so heavy.
This is pizza. Damn. It's ground beef. Look at and I got big hands, L-sized hands.
That is absolutely massive. That is the size of my head. You can't get a drink this size in my country.
But what is this? Costco. This is even bigger than Walmart.
Ich will essen alles. Oh my God, Tomaten. Oh my God, guys, it's Target. We're gonna go into Target for the first time ever. She's also gonna film it with her camera. Oh my God.
We are in America for the first time as Europeans, and they have every flavor. Look, they have big red. What's big red? Or is there big blue as well? We don't know.
Boy, I'll tell you what, that is some good shit.
Look at those. I think they're getting ready for something. Fucking heat in Texas.
One T-bone, medium rare. Mark on the platter, triple over medium.
I don't know what they're singing, but I'm gonna join a party if I see it.
Why?
This is crazy. Look at this.
The cheese balls with Mikey's house. No, time to come.
What? I asked a medium size. That's medium. Ma che medium? Madonna! My entire family can drink from here for 1 month.
This is probably the best store I've ever been to.
Look at these. These are nice. What is this?
Your pancakes you ordered.
I ordered 1 pancake.
That's one pancake.
This is 1 pancake?
Yeah, welcome to America. You know, I used to be little like you. Now look at me.
I think we overordered, y'all. This is massive. For comparison. Tell me you're in America without telling me you are in America. I've just been handed my drink.
This is why I like America, man. This is why I love America.
America loves you.
This is why I love America. Why is the slice so big?
At the size of this, it is literally bigger than my head.
Portion sizes in the US is absolutely crazy. So this is the ranch we got, and this is the normal size of ranch. Crazy.
When the one that said the portions are
big. I didn't know it was this big. That's huge.
That is one large fries. Thoughts?
That's just outrageous.
My name is Selena. I'm from Europe. This is my first time trying Chick-fil-A. Oh, why is it so slimy? Don't call it slimy. Sauces don't do that anymore, but who am I to judge? Okay, dippy dippy, chippy dippy. If you know, you know. I also got the chicken strips.
Southern. The chicken strips.
Oh, it's hot. It's good. I like that it's very warm because sometimes when you get fast food in Denmark, it's like just lukewarm.
Yeah.
And now, also, we don't have ranch.
Why do you look like that? Oh.
No, I have my own.
You don't like it?
It tastes like feet.
What?
Yeah.
Give me that.
I will stick to the Chick-fil-A sauce. What? Who opens a straw like that?
Americans do, because you do this, and then when you're ready to drink.
Sunjoy.
Half lemonade, half iced tea.
It's good. It's not crazy.
No, it's not
tastes,
crazy.
No, it tastes more just like it tastes more like iced tea.
Yeah.
Very upset that we don't have this in Denmark. You want to see a European get excited?
I'm at Cheesecake Factory in Los Angeles. I'm gonna try cheesecake for the first time. This is a big ass cheesecake. This is unbelievable and I'm never coming home.
Do you know what is coming home? Fucking football!
A load of that. Jess, that was brilliant. Cajun chicken, mashed potato, and gravy. Incredible. Oh, this is hard to eat. Incredible.
Oh, the crunch.
Absolutely phenomenal, some would say.
No.
What? It's the best thing. Mmm. Creamy mash like this is the best.
You're an animal.
It's my first time trying a real American burger. It's called the FA burger. Can you see that? Look at the size of that.
That's huge.
Oh my goodness.
Good luck.
I cannot wait for that. Let me have a go on that.
I've never seen a burger so big in my life. Oh god, you got it everywhere.
Oh my. Oh my, the cheese, the peppers, everything about that is...
Good. Let's have a look inside.
That was amazing.
Wow.
That's so good. Right, let's see what the chips are saying. They've got fry sauce as well. I don't know what that is. But I said, what sauce does everyone get? And they said this one. Mmm. And now, I know you Americans like dipping your fries in milkshakes. I've never tried it. So let's see what you guys are raving about.
So interesting.
See if it's actually good or not.
I reckon that's going to be good. Good?
That is a seriously good combination, man. The savoury with the sweet. Oh, wow.
That is so cool. Look how thick that milkshake is.
Guys, this burger's going to be gone quickly. Look at that. Just look at that. Saturday done properly.
As a Brit in America, In-N-Out is amazing to me. Like, it's so convenient, tastes so good.
How is it?
Oh my days. Get in!
That is gorgeous. Bloody brilliant.
We think.
Oh yeah. Oh my days! Oh my days!
That's actually really nice.
Hit that real, hit that, oh!
Get that real.
Oh!
That's it right there. Hey, on a scale of 1 to 10, where you put that? 10.
Bit changes when you're bit.
I can feel it.
This is Jack's first time having a Philly cheesesteak, and it's a good one too.
I'm excited about this one.
Okay. We think.
Oh yeah. I get the hype. That's so good.
Next level,
wow.
huh?
I'm glad we got this actually, yeah.
I know. Yeah. Okay, good.
Let's get a big chunk of this.
Is it bomb?
Oh, this is so good. This is why everyone kept telling me to have it. Dang.
So we have just spent $82 on lobster.
$82, mate.
Yeah.
This better cure cancer or something.
Well,
I don't know.
It might do. It smells delicious.
Okay,
Let's try it.
Let's go. First time trying lobster. You're going to see what it looks like before I do. What are we looking like?
Well, they're tater tots.
Good. Oh. Okay. What are we saying?
You have to move the packaging.
Oh, sorry.
So this is a cold.
Oh, it does look good, mate. I'm not
the
going to
cold
lie.
one, look.
Go for the cold lobster roll.
Nice. This is called a main.
It's called a main
roll.
lobster roll, is it?
Yeah.
Let's get some lemon. Let's give it a go. Lobster roll for the first time. Here we go. Oh my.
Good?
Mate.
Look at that. Oh.
I'm not joking when I say this. I think that, I'd pay double for that.
Try it.
Would you?
No, try the meat, like, pull a bit off. There you go. Uh-oh. He's going to do a lobster dance. Lobster dance. Lobster dance. Hot one with
Hot one.
Look at this.
Oh.
I'm just going to dive right in.
Get in there, mate.
Oh my. I'm obsessed with Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, and I think that's taken #1.
Looks
over Philly
unreal,
cheesesteak.
mate.
But look at these tater tots.
Oh.
Lobster.
Oh.
Tater tots.
That's a joke.
Hey, you know what? $82 well spent, I think.
I'd spend double. I'd spend
Whoa. I know you're from where you're from.
We're foreign. What are we doing?
Don't stop with the knives.
No, you don't need a knife?
No, you pull it apart with your hand. And listen, hold up. And you take your fingers and you lift that up and you eat it.
Okay.
Not with a fork.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. Sorry.
Enjoy holding your food and eat it like that. It's okay.
I love eating with hands. Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Okay.
No. I'm sorry I let it get that far.
No. I'll mistake. I'll mistake completely.
We're not used to meat being soft enough to just rip it apart without a knife.
Okay.
I mean, that's not normal. Mate, cheers.
Cheers.
It's better as in America. Oh. My.
No, thank you right now. If we had Chipotle in Australia, I swear to God, I would be there every single day.
Oh my day. Oh my days, Queen Lizzie, I'm sorry.
That is one large fries, okay? They brought it over to me and I literally thought they gave me the wrong order.
Thank you. Eh? Bro, these are so good. Wow! This chicken is a good one.
Everyone's been telling me that Sprite in McDonald's in the US hits different. I don't know why. Apparently, it's better than being bought in a shop, like in a bottle. So we've been to McDonald's, we've got Sprite, and we're going to do a live reaction right now. I've never tried this before. Oh, that is crisp. That is really good. That's really sweet, really crisp, very refreshing. I can see why everyone says it is different. That is
Kind of
good.
like chlorine.
Like chlorine?
Yeah, a little bit.
No, it's nice. I'm going to be sucking this all night. See you guys next time.
This is probably the most American thing.
I've never eaten Cheetos of my life.
Really?
I love it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, taste this.
It's so good. Yum.